Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about absolute extrema.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, y equals x to the third power minus 3x squared plus 6, and we want to find all points of the absolute minima and maxima on our given interval from 0 to positive infinity. I said that one weird. Anyway, first step, find the derivative. So we take our function, find the derivative, we're using the power rule. 3 comes down, x squared. Minus 2 times 3 is a 6, x, and then derivative of 6 is just, well, 0. We take this derivative and we set it equal to 0 to find our critical values. So 3x squared minus 6x equals 0, and let's solve. Well, I can pull out an x here, and I have 3x minus a 6 equals 0. Set both parts equal to 0, x equals 0, and 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Add a 6 to both sides, 3x equals a positive 6, divide both sides by 3, and x equals 2 here. Now both of these critical values are within our interval from 0 to positive infinity, but it's going to be a little different when we do the first derivative test here because, well, we don't have any values less than 0 within the interval. So I like to do this when I draw it sometimes, just to kind of show you what we're doing here for the first time, but then I cross this off. This part doesn't matter. We have 0, we have 2, and we go to positive infinity. So I do my first derivative test, and I plug in a value between 0 and 2, and I have f prime of 1 I pick, alright, plug into my derivative, and I get a negative 3, and I just care that it's negative, and so we are decreasing on the interval. I pick a value larger than 2, which was 3, so f prime of 3, so I put 3 into my derivative, and I got a 9. I just care that's positive, and we're increasing on that interval all the way to positive infinity. So what does this tell us? Well, we're decreasing and then increasing right there. So we're decreasing here at 2, then we're increasing afterwards, so we have a minimum going on there. And then at 0 though, right? So at 0 we have a high value, right? It's at 0, it's decreasing, x is 0, and then at 2 it turns to increasing, but it's increasing forever to positive infinity. So we need to check our endpoints here and the critical value, and really just that one endpoint. F of 0 came out to be a positive 6. That's the endpoint value, but the minimum value, the relative one, f of 2, came out to be a positive 2, which is less than 6. And so our absolute minimum here, it occurs at a 2, 2. And as regards for absolute maximum, we don't have any because it's going on forever to positive infinity, so we have no absolute maxima. So again, our final answer here is our absolute minimum is 2, 2, and we have no absolute maxima. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.